Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I make this weight loss cabbage fufu. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell. Only that way you get instant notification whenever I upload any video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
So guys, this is very nice if you want to lose some weight. If you're the type that eats eba, semolina, apple, like fufu, gari, just name it, this works really wonders. So what I did here, I just cut my one medium cabbage into two, and I took the bigger one and I cut it into chunks, and I'm going to blend it now.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay. Like
so guys, after blending it, I'm just using this net. You can get this net from supermarket, like you can get it from the shops, or you can even order it online. So I'm just going to use this net and sieve out the water from the cabbage. So I rinsed the blender and I poured it in as well. So this net is going to help me to sieve out all the water, as I still want it to be damp. I don't want to like sieve every single water out of it. I'm going to pour the water away. You don't need that at all. So this is the thing I'm going to use. This is the Xylem Hawks organic one. I got this from Amazon, naturally bio, and yeah, this is very good, organic, very healthy as well. In an empty pot, I'm going to pour my cabbage, my blended cabbage, into the pot. And after that, I'm just going to put my heating on, and I'm going to use only one good size of tablespoon of this Xylem Hawks. That's just what I need. So guys, this is really good, and this is a very good thickener. You can use Quaker oats, you can use this Xylem Hawks. These are the two things I know. As you can see, it has started coming together instantly. Like, this is very healthy if you want to lose some weight. So guys, if you're the type that loves eating gari, eba, fufu, semolina and all that, once you start eating this cabbage fufu, you will notice significant change within 3 to 1 week. And the texture is really nice. It feels like you're eating a well-cooked fufu. And yeah guys, I'm going to leave it for more 2 minutes and I will show you guys the outcome. So guys, like, this is your cabbage fufu, like authentic cabbage fufu. It looks really nice. So guys, when I was doing my research, I found out that according to helpline.com, It says that cabbage contains 2 grams of digestible carbs per serving, and it's very high in vitamin C and K, and it may reduce the risk of certain cancers. So cabbage also has low carbs, and this is one of the reasons why it makes you to lose weight in a healthy way, and this is highly recommendable. As you can see, this has carbs, but it has the kind of carbs that makes you to lose weight in a healthy way, and this is what you're looking for, and it digests easily and quickly. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if it worked for you. So guys, try to incorporate cabbage in most of the food you eat. You can use it actually to make a casserole. You can use it to make pizza. You can use it to make salads, stir fry, cabbage rolls, moi moi, like, name it. Even pizza, you can actually use it to make these things I just mentioned. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.